Hello guys, good morning. It has snowed all the way in the east of America, and it's very beautiful. Now, um, in these days, we have seen another big correction in the market. Okay, and as the other correction that I have told you before in the 24th August 2015. Okay, you know, correction like these corrections. What does it mean? If you want to know the reasons, don't try to dig that much because you just waste your time. Okay, now when big guys like mutual funds, they sell. Okay, and other people, day traders, they do another action which is short selling. You will see a very big action that it happened in the market. It stays 1 week or 2 or 3, or it depends. Like in the 24th of August, it's only 1 week, and you see how much investors have lost about this. But this another correction, you have seen how the market is going down. Now, what you should do in this kind of situations? That's why I told you before there are many strategies. Okay. Now, when the market is going up, almost all you can do my strategy, which is from training level 1 to training level 10. Okay, that explains the search, how to find stocks, how to select them. Okay, and you will find a lot of stocks. Now, even in a downtrend like these days or big correction, you will find some what we call solo stocks. Now, I just use these words solo stocks. You will never find a definition in the online, or if you Google it. It's just my words. Now, what I mean by solo stocks, it means some big guys, big investors, or mutual funds, whatever. Okay, some people who have money, they just find some companies, small or big, and they buy. Okay, while you see the whole market is going down, you will never find this kind of stocks because they will never talk about them. Okay, this is why I told you that in general, online and TV and all the media that speak about stock market, those guys that they speak, they are paid like analysts. Now, when they are paid, they tell what the other companies, or it means they advertise, okay, for something. They don't speak like in neutral. They just give you their opinion. They don't give their opinion without money. This is what's their job. They are analysts. Okay, it means whatever they say, they will have money from that. That's why when you go online and you find all these analysts, they put under that we don't have any we don't buy these stocks, and it is just an opinion. Okay, but it's an opinion that it is paid. Okay, and all the people know. But you know, the majority of investors, the majority of traders, you know, they just follow and they don't know. Sometimes I see like stocks, they say this company is good and it has this and this and competition, and it has, and when I go to the stock, I find the worst ugly stock in the chart. A company that it is losing money for 1 year or 2, and they try to push it up by beginners. And those beginners, you know, they see the chart, the stock is going down and down. They say, oh, it's an opportunity to buy. But who tells you that there are some other people or investors who are selling all their shares that are left in order to buy other stocks, and you get stuck? Okay, you get stuck in the company, and later when you want to sell, you will lose a lot, and this is what we call big losses, either as an investor or as or as what we call swing traders. Okay, now if there is like a big sell-off, like what we see in January this year, 2016, there are other ways to do it. Either you buy from the support line, okay, and this I made a special training called how to buy stocks from the support line. It means when the people or the short sellers, they sell an investment like a stock or a mutual fund, they sell it, they sell a stock. You see it's going down and going down, and one time it stops and it goes up again into a small trend or a big trend. Now this what the swing traders are waiting for, and just they buy and they wait. If they are right, they will make money. The stock is going up. Now if it doesn't and it go down again, they know that it is a long downtrend, so they just exit with a small loss, and that's it. Okay, now let me just drink some coffee. Okay, now other people, when they see that the market is going down and they see all the market, it means in general going down, what they do, they buy puts. It means options puts. But understand that you are risking too much money. You can do it, but you are risking too much money. Okay? Because all your money could be lost. That's why I always say for beginners, try not to put, if you want to learn, and you can have a paper account and you can try to buy this puts or calls. You know, a call, you buy a call, which is a contract. If you think the stock will go up, you buy. If the stock, like let's say the stock is $5,000, all the stock, 100 shares, you can buy it with $100, $150. Some people they find attractive. They say, okay, I'm just putting $150. I'm not putting $5,000 like buying the stock. So I will see for a few days if I can make money. $100 or $200, it depends on the thing. But understand that there is a big risk to lose all that money that you put. Okay, understand that. So this is a way to do business. It means the market is going down, so you should follow the market price. Is going down, either you sell short or you do you buy puts. Okay, put options. And if you think that the stock or the index or it's going down and down and down, you can buy one and you can leave it for a few days and you will get some money from it. That's why I made the training level understand calls and puts options. Okay, so it just, I'm trying to help as much as I can to understand the phases of the market. The market is not always going up, it's not always going down, it's not always going like trending into a range between two lines like resistance line and support line. It is not. So the market, it changes. Now everything is going down. Some stocks will go up, like financials. In the membership, I will show. I showed a lot of this kind of stocks that the people buy, and it's going up. Now, it means you should have not only one strategy to do trading. You should have few strategies depending on situation of the market. Now, the solo stocks don't follow the market. It means sometimes all the market is up, is going up, but you find some companies that price is going down and down and down. Now those companies, a lot of investors, they sell because they know more than you. They know more about the company than you. Understand that. You can't have certain kind of information. You don't know what's going on in this company. But we are lucky. I'm telling you from my experience, all my experience trading stocks, is that you have more information than everyone else if you stick to the price. Okay? If your stock was $100 and now it is $2, don't tell me that you are investing in this stock because it goes from 2, it goes to 100 again. Don't tell me this. Because since almost all the people have, exit this company, it means they sell, but they can't sell all their shares in one day. You can see it in that. And the floor traders, they short the stock, they help, and they will make a lot of money, and the stock will go down, down, down. And that's why those investors who want to sell, they don't want that. They want to sell secretly. What does it mean to sell secretly? It means to sell each day certain amount of shares. Okay? Just a minute. This coffee is so delicious. Someone asked me what's this coffee? It's just coffee, okay? Whatever. So, this is, although these people who are selling, these investors who are selling, although it is hidden, no one knows. You don't know when there is a stock that it is always going down and down for 1 year or 2 or 3. Okay, why it goes down? There must be a lot of mutual funds. They are selling their shares because they know something about the company. Now you don't know nothing. You can't get such kind of information because these guys, mutual funds, they have their analysts, they have people who search the company, they have money to spend on search. Now you and me and other people, we don't have money to search certain kind of information. But the market gives us clues directly, and they are like a fact. When a stock is $100, today is 50. What does it mean? Don't tell me it's just a cycle and it will go up. And you know, if you follow these things and you follow what Wall Street, or if you follow online things, what they say, you will get trapped and you will hold the loser. Now, when you hold the loser for a long time, especially if you are an investor, you understand late that you are holding a loser. And then if you, people who really invest, who have money, you put like $100,000 in a stock, or 200 or $500,000, wherever you put, and you wait 1 year or 2, and you see that all your money is gone. All your investment is gone. Okay? Because you read an article online that says, man, just hold in the stock because it had this company has potential. It has potential to go and to become the biggest company in the United States and in the world. Okay? Do you believe that? Okay, believe it. But when you put your money 1 year or 2 or 3, you have no money and you begin to lose, and then you see that all what you see online is just opinion of other people. They can't tell you the truth about something. Even they know, they can't. Okay? It's just because most of these guys are paid. Understand that. They are paid. And this is the stock market. All are secrets. But the good thing for us, what is it? Is the price. When I think at the end of 2015, when the big correction, this correction begins, you see that the whole market is shaken, and the market is going down day by day. And the people, they say, oh no, it's just 1 day or two. No. How do you know it's one day or two? Those people who are like me, swing traders, they put stop loss, whoop, they exit the market and they watch. These 3 weeks or 4 weeks, just watch the market. Okay? And you see everything going down, 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 and down. Now, if you hold, you will see that you lose a lot of money. It's your mistake. It's not the mistake of the market, because the market, it does what it does. Some people are selling. Some people are selling. If you hold to the stock, they crush you. Okay? And short sellers come to help them, and they crush the price of the company, and it goes down. That's why I always tells you, just try to follow the price. And all my training I do, or my membership, is just to search for stocks and to follow opportunities. In swing trading, you shouldn't buy each day. You are not a day trader. And this I always explain, but some people they think they should follow the market daily. No, you shouldn't. Just do searches whenever you have time, and if you find an opportunity to buy, you just buy. There is no sure thing in the market, so stop finding things or people saying that it's 100%. Follow my strategy and you will make money 100%. It doesn't exist, because no one owns the market. The market is a lot of players. Some people buy, some people sell. And even the whole market is different. Okay, you find sectors, you find industries, you find the stocks, and all is different. It means each thing is different from the other. You find in the same industry, for example, stocks that go up, but others are going down. So it depends on where you are. Okay? Are you right or are you wrong? If you are wrong, you should correct your mistake and you exit to keep your capital. Because some people, this is something that all the beginners do, and they lose a lot of money, and that's why they can't trade anymore, because they lost 50% or 60% or 70% or 80%. Someone sent me an email. He has like I think $45,000. He began to trade. He trade, day trading, swing trading. After 1 year, he has $5,000. He sent me an email. He told me his story. Okay, it's a sad story, but it's a normal story of beginner, because most of the beginners they lose money. And they told me, is your strategy so good that I double my money each week or each month? Oh man, I told him you spend 1 year, you lost all your money, and then you come with 5,000 or 2,000 or 1,000, and you want to do a high percentage. Where have you seen this? Who tells you that you can double your money in 1 week or 1 month, and it's something like a machine? Who? Are you harvesting the money? Who are these people? I don't know anyone who can just harvest the money like this. Okay? It's like a machine that prints money paper. Man, in the market there is no machine that prints money paper or bills. If it is like this, no one will work in this world. No one will work. Okay, you just go to the market. You have 10,000. You buy stock. Tomorrow it's 20,000. Okay, you become a billionaire in 1 month or two. But this doesn't exist. It can exist like a jackpot. Okay? Like the people who do the lottery and you have a jackpot. It can. With penny stocks or with sometimes with stocks that have news. I have seen sometimes in my career as a trader, I have seen some stocks like this. It was $2 or $3, but there is good news for this company, and it goes to $20 or $30 next day. A big gap up. This company 1,000% in few days. It can happen, but you can't rely on this to know all these stocks that go like this, a big gap up or something. It's not reasonable. You are making a business. You should make some money each month or each 2 or each year, and you save more money and you grow and you grow and you grow until you have a big capital. This is what all traders are doing. It means to have a big capital, at least you will be easy to do whatever you want. You can buy Google, you can buy other stocks that are big. It means you will have to be flexible. Okay? Now when you are small, try just not to do crazy things. Let's drink some coffee. Okay? So for a change in this market, I have done my membership. You can just go to my website and check the membership, and it gives you can just try it 1 month and see if it helps you. It is a search, and it will give you what moves in the market and how do you select these kind of stocks. Now each week or each month things change. Other industries are going up, other industries are going down, so you will see what is going up and what is going down. Now, and then it will be easy to check for stocks that you can buy as a swing trader. There are rules and it's criteria. It's not just you go and you buy anything that goes up, okay? It's not. So there are rules you should follow. Now, in general, the situation of I'm talking about investors. They got a big hit in this January, okay, because a lot of mutual funds, or in general, big guys, as I told them always, there is a big sell-off. The whole market. If you see, for example, the major indexes or index like the Dow or Nasdaq, or you can see S&P 500, or just you see the mood of the market, and you go and you put it in a chart. You can use my chart that I'm always using, and you can see how things work, where are the majority of stocks are going down or up. But understand that when there is a movement, if you have a way to search for stocks, you will see these kind of stocks. But if you don't have that kind of search, you will see nothing. In measure of stock screeners, what they give you the daily. Okay, those will go up, those will go down, percentage. They give you a general information about what happened in that day, but they don't show you how to trade or what you should do, or which stocks you buy, which stocks you sell. Okay, so that's why I offer my training, which is mostly for beginners or for intermediate levels. For beginners, those who just trade and they don't know where they are. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know their risk. They can't understand how much money they should put in each stock, like what we call position sizing. They don't know how to manage their account. The risk, because trading is risk. If you don't know how much you risk in each trade, how can you trade? And this astonished me always. I was before the same. I just trade. Sometimes I use all my money. Sometimes I use half. Sometimes I use 10%. Sometimes I just do wherever. But later, when I begin to understand the market, I understand that these things, if you don't control, you will never be a successful trader. You should control your risk. And believe me, when you go online, even in books, they don't speak. Or when they speak, they give you 2 lines or 3 lines and they forget about it, because that makes the money. But generally in books, in bestsellers of books, speaking about trading, wherever there is something that makes the money, they forgot about it. They don't give it to you. You are buying a book with $20 or $30 or $60. The guy who made this book with $50, $60, he can just give you more specific information, how to handle your account, how to calculate your risk. They can't. Okay? They don't give. That's why, because they sell it, the books, they sell it with $20. They don't sell the books with $1,000 or $2,000, and they give you that much information that you need to begin a training. Because even they give you everything, you should train yourself, and it takes time. Okay? It takes time. It's not from one day to the next day you become what we call a professional trader. It will never happen like this in the market, or in trading, or in the process of being a trader. You should do your own trades. You do mistakes and you correct them, because trading has a psychological impact. If the disciplined trader, as I have seen a book before called The Disciplined Trader. I don't know the name of the trader who has written this book. I forgot it. But you need to acquire skills. Okay? To acquire skills. It's not. You should be like disciplined. Like when you go to work, they ask you to work, like, let's say you work from 9 to 5. You should come always at 9 to work. If you come at 10, you will have problems with attendance. Okay? If they ask you to leave at 5 and you leave at 3, or you will have problems with your managers or wherever, or your company or so. So why you are disciplined in your work, but in trading you want to play the fool? Okay? That's why I always ask. Trading is a business. You should equip yourself with training. You should get training. And when you get a training, you should practice until you succeed. There is no a shortcut to it. Okay? There is no shortcut that you have strategies into one cup like this cup of coffee. You put some strategies here and then you drink them. Well, I am professional trader. Okay, I just got my shot of I got just a shot of one strategy. I will finish the cup and then I will become a professional trader. I'll begin harvesting the market. I just go buy at $2. Tomorrow it is $10. Oh, I have 500% or 1,000%, and this is the game. Okay, it's the market. It is not like this. The market, it's not like this. It is you who is the problem, not the market. Because a lot of people, they send me emails this weeks. Oh, the market is down. The market is down. Yes. What did happen? The market is always down and up and trading into a range. This is for, I'm telling you, because maybe you don't know. It's from the 15th century. In Amsterdam, when the stock market began with two companies. The people, they want to understand how it goes up, how they go up, how they go down. From that 15th century until now, the market is always the same. It goes down when people are selling or shorting the stock. It's normal. Why you play the fool as if something as if the stock will never go down? Why is that? Why you are doing something? This is because your psychology. This is because your understanding of the market is false. You have wrong ideas. That's why you get angry or you get mad. Oh, I have just made some money in this stock, and then these guys, they short the stock. Or, oh, I lost all my money. Okay? The market is always doing the same thing for centuries. Okay? The market has never changed. But the people, they think that the market is against them. The market is not against. The market is neutral. There are some players, they play with the stock. Some they buy, some they sell, some they sell short. Everybody is free to do wherever he wants or she wants. Now your job is to know what's going on, when to enter, when to exit. This needs time, it needs skills, it needs training. And believe me, if you are going all online, you find free strategies, okay, just do them. But they will never give you anything that it is important. Why? Because these guys who made these free things, they have never traded in their life, mostly. Most of the people that, okay, strategy that gives 95%, all are winners. Okay. And why this guy is not like a billionaire or something? If any trade he enters, he wins. Okay? This is not true. The percentage of good traders is only 30% or 40%, or at the maximum at 50%. But the money is not made with percentage. The money is made with something else. That's why I explain in training level how to make money in the market. If you get that training, okay, you will see how things works. You get astonished how you don't know these things, or they are there, but no one will show you how for free, because it's business. It's like when you go to an accountant or to a lawyer or to attorney or to a physician or a doctor, and you ask him, oh, okay, please, can I just go to your appointment and I don't pay? It's stupid, okay? It's stupid because that guy has spent all his life studying medicine, and then he has a license, and then he begins to practice. All his life he has spent that much money to be a doctor, and then you come and you ask him for a free consultation. They will never give you free consultation. That's why when you have an appointment, you should pay. If you don't pay, maybe they will ask you some money. Okay? So the information that makes a change in your life, you should pay for it. That's why you go to your education. You go to college, you go to some training, you go to seminars, and you pay in order to get those information that you need that help you. But it's you. You should change your state of mind. Change that you should always learn new things. You don't stop. Okay? The market is always changing, but it's doing the same thing. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Sometimes it's just trading into a range. Go up, go down, go up, go down. You see it in this chart. Okay? If you know how to trade, you take opportunities. Anything that happens in the market is an opportunity to make money. But if you don't know how to take this opportunity or to how to seize it, you will be like other people who are losing each time their money. And some people, they lose too much, like investors, okay? But they can make money if they are right, which is true, okay? But the market, as you know, it's always doing the same. So to end all this stuff, I say that if the market is going up, you can just go and check my training from level 1 to training level 10. If you want to see how to buy from a support line, which is these weeks, you will find a lot of opportunities in stocks. You can check that. If you want to use options like puts or calls, because you put little money, don't buy too much, little money, and this will help you not to lose too much. Even if you lose the trade, you don't lose $100 or $50 or 50 or 70 or 150. You don't lose that much. You can do the small strategy that they have, which is based on candlesticks, which is level 15. Now you can just find for day traders, you can see understand candlesticks and the chart. It shows you entries, how to enter to a trade, and where to enter and where to exit. All these are kind of training that most of you they need. Now, if you have other, or you know better, or you have other books that you are reading, but it's still time to learn, and because trading is a long process. It's not in one day or two you become a good trader. You need time to experience. You need time to buy and sell and see everything that you don't know. Okay, and for those who want only to subscribe to my membership, okay, it's only 1 month, and you can just try it and check what's going on, how I search, how I select stocks. This is just for you, just to understand something. You can try it just once, and then if you don't like it, just go to another provider. And my goal, even with all the videos that I made, like free videos, just to give you highlights, to give you guidelines to be successful. Okay, so it's deep. You should learn, you should practice, you should acquire skills in order to be a swing trader or day trader or wherever you want to be. Okay, it's not there is no what you call a shortcut to it, and that's it. Let me drink some strategy. Okay, as I told you before, when you finish this cup, you finish all the strategies, and then you just wake up and you become a professional trader. Okay, so it's up to you. If you want to learn, it takes time. You should spend some money on training, and you should never give up if you like risk. This I tell always. There are some people who don't like risk. They don't like to lose, even $50 or $100. Please, this is not for you. Trading is not for you. Trading is for the people who are strong in their heart. Strong. I'm telling you. Strong, and they want really to understand the market. They want really to make money. It takes time, but you should be strong. Not you lose $100 in a trade and you begin to cry and you go to your mom and to your dad or your grandfather or your friends and you say, oh, this market is something too bad. There are a lot of bad people in the market. They take my money. No one takes your money. It's you. It's you who give them your money. If you know how to trade, you can take other people's money and you become successful. But if you don't like risk, this is psychological. You always regret that you traded that day, and you say, oh, I shouldn't buy that stock in that day because after a few days it goes down. Oh, I lost $100. Oh, I am sad right now. How I lose $100 and other people, I see other stocks going up and they make money. So, if you continue like this, believe me, you will never see money. By luck, maybe. And if you continue crying about losing some money, you will never make it. Sorry, telephone. Oh, here's a problem with this phone. Okay, sorry for the phone. Now, as I told you before, you should never cry when you lose money. It's the market. Okay? You are wrong. In the market, two things. Either you are right, you make money. You are wrong, you lose money. So always you bet on the stock. But what's the difference between professional trader and the beginner? Okay? So the beginner always have a problem. This problem is he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know when to enter a stock. He doesn't know his risk in this stock. He does know nothing. He just see some news or online thing or in a chat room or a forum or wherever he is, and then he goes like this. Oh, I buy this stock. A lot of people they are buying, so he buys. Now, next day or the other days, he's losing money. And he asks other friends or other people, oh, we are saying, no, don't exit the stock. Because it will go up. In a few days, it will go up and you make your money and then you can make a profit. After a few days, 1 week, 2 or 3 weeks, and then he has a big loss. And then he feels the pain and then he's sold his shares and he can't just think to do another trade. Or sometimes some people, they do what we call a revenge trade. He buys a stock, he loses. Then he go to another stock, he loses. A third, he loses. And then he become 1 month, 2 months, 3 months until he finish all his capital. And then he has zero money, or you have $100, $200. He can't even buy a penny stock. Now, all these mistakes that I'm speaking, you can correct them through experience, through time. You can't correct your mistakes in 1 day or 1 week. You can't, because your psychology always asks you to do the opposite of the right thing to do. Okay? If you lose some money, if you know your risk, you will be like what happened right now. In this month, suppose that you have a stock and you have some money. You bought it, for example, at the end of November or beginning of December, and you see that you are right and you're making money. And then in 1 day, like the beginning of this year, like in January 2016, the whole market is going down and your stock is going down. And if you put a stop loss to get your profit and you get out, you make money. You still have made money because you have been in a good trade. But the problem, you just wait. You say, no, it will just go a few days and goes up again and they make more. So the greed here keeps you from seeing the truth. Although the market has warned you. The market warns everybody in the market. Okay, I'm going down. Either you exit or you stay, I don't care. I'm going down. He doesn't tell you how long the market will go down. He will never tell you, but the price tell you each day. Okay, each day 1%. The other day 2%, 3%, 4%, but after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will see that you lost 15%, 20%, 30%, 50, 70 in that stock. Oh, and then you say, oh, when you see the chart later, oh, if I have exit in that price, I will have a profit. But I stayed. Okay? So all these mistakes that you do, you need time to correct them. That's why for me, what is all my opinion here in this YouTube channel? I will try just to make you see your mistakes, and then when you see your mistakes, you should correct them. If you don't believe in what I say, you should go to another provider. It means go to other people that they say to you, you are fine, okay? You just have this strategy and you become wherever you become, okay? These things takes time. It's not something that you want to acquire very, very quick, okay? And there is another thing, which is something in your mind, which is the high performance. I have $5,000 in 1 month. I want to double my money. I want to triple my money. I don't know from where did they give this information, doubling your money, and I don't know. So that's why always we have a problem. Okay, we have problem with this high percentage. Try to be humble and be simple. You will have high percentage when you become professional trader and you know what you are doing. Right now you are beginners, so try if you just keep your money and you don't lose that much, it's very good for you because you are training. Money comes with understanding of the market. If you don't understand the market, from where do you get the money? There is no a secret strategy or a formula that whenever you do it, you make money. It doesn't exist. No, people online, they say it exists and they use it and they want to sell it for you. Okay, if you try to follow them, and after a few, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you will understand that it doesn't work. It has never worked. Okay, so thank you very much for this and see you next time.